Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my YouTube family. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. Myself, Noshin Ansari. Today's my topic is English essay on importance of English language. It's an secondary level essay. It contains more than 350 words. I hope you will like it, so let's get started. Importance of English language. Language is a major means of communication. It is how we share our thoughts with others. Our language's secondary purpose is to convey someone's sentiments, emotions, or attitudes. English is one such a language in the world that satisfied both the above purposes. English has been regarded as the first global language. It has become part and parcel of almost every existing field. We use it as the international language to communicate in many fields ranging from business to entertainment. Many countries teach and encourage youngsters to acquire English as a second language. Even in nations where English is not an official language, many science and engineering curriculum are written in English. Many large corporations will only hire professional employees after determining whether or not they speak good English. Given the language prominence, English language classes will be advantageous to you if you want to work for a multinational organization and will teach you the communication skills needed to network with professionals in your areas or enhance your career. The English language opens an ocean of career opportunities to those who speak this language anywhere in the world. As the importance of the English language is clear now, we move on why we must learn the English language. First of all, it is a global language. It is so common that 1 out of 5 people can speak or understand this language. Further, learning the English language can help in getting a job easily. As it has become the language of many fields, it automatically increases the chances of landing a good job in a good company. It helps with meeting in new people as it is the official language of 53 countries. Learning it helps to break the language barriers. Most importantly, it is also the language of the internet. Another important reason to learn this language is that it makes traveling easier being a widely used language globally. It will help you connect with people easily. Similarly, it is also essential in the world of business. It does not matter whether you are an employee or employer. It benefits everyone. Students who wish to study abroad must definitely study this language. Many countries use their schools and universities, so it can offer a good opportunity for students. English is the language of choice for internet users. The internet has also played an important role in promoting and spreading the English language throughout the world as more and more people are exposed to it, and English has also become the language of the internet. So I think that English language education is also very important for us to achieve our targets or progress and development as a nation. Anyway, you know that no language is self-sufficient and learning English is necessary. because in order to move forward as a developed nation in the global and international community, we have to study English. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.